Honestly, the hardest part of starting a business is just getting the legal stuff out of the way. When I set up my LLC, I tried calling the state for help and spent more time on hold than actually talking to a human. And hiring an attorney, way out of the budget. That's when I realized you can use a formation service to handle all of this for a fraction of the price. And after looking into a bunch of them, LegalZoom ended up being my go-to. So in this video, I'm going to break down my own experience with them, what it actually costs, and a few hidden features that most people miss so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. Now, LegalZoom ain't new, not by a long shot. They've been starting companies for people totally online for over 20 years, and in that time, they've helped start over 4 million businesses. Now, they don't only form LLCs, they also offer some other services that not every formation site does, like legal support, the ability to form different types of entities, like C Corps, S Corps, registering DBAs, doing business as. That if you're not sure which business type is best for you, LegalZoom can help with that as well. So I've used LegalZoom now for about a year, and I've started my LLC with them, and I found the process to be really straightforward. All you need to really get started with them is a business name. From there, LegalZoom will check to make sure the name you want is available in the state you're registering your business. Now, the website will only check for names within the state because LLCs are formed at the state level. If you have aspirations of running your business nationwide, or at least want to make sure no one else can use your business name, you can get a trademark on your business name as long as it is already trademarked. So it doesn't hurt to check the USPTO, the Trademark and Patent Office, just to make sure the name you want is in the clear. Once you pick your name, you'll answer some basic questions about your business. Pick a plan with LegalZoom, pay, and fill out a few forms. Then you give your details, and they will take the completed application and forward it to your state. There was a waiting period, of course, but I opted to speed things up as much as possible by paying $99 for one-day expedited processing. And they kept me in the loop the whole thing with any updates on my application. And I thought it was really helpful. They offer in-house legal support as well as a full library of legal templates to use, which ended up saving me some money on legal fees. And they included a guide on which permits and licenses I needed to operate my business, which really helped me make sure that I was staying legal. That being said, LegalZoom also offers services for non-US citizens. They'll assist you with forming US companies, such as LLCs or corporations, even if you're based outside the US. However, there are specific requirements that may vary depending on the service and your country of residence. It's better to just check their website or contact customer service to be sure. Now, in terms of plans, they have 3 to choose from. First up, their basic plan. Now, this option is definitely affordable because it's, well, free. You won't have to pay them anything, but you will need to pay any state fees for registering your business. Now, you can choose to purchase a la carte services from them, like an EIN or employer identification number, which is a federal tax number for your business, or an operating agreement, which is a blueprint for your business. You can get these services on your own, or you can have LegalZoom get them for you. Now, there's no obligation to get these services from them, but having them is important for your business, and in some states actually required. So I would definitely consider having LegalZoom get them for you or making plans ahead of time to get them. The next plan is the Pro plan, coming in at around $250 a year. This option includes the EIN, an operating agreement, guidance from business attorneys, and access to customizable legal documents and unlimited e-signatures for a whole year. And finally, they have their most inclusive plan, the Premium plan. That costs just a tad shy of $300 a year. It includes all the features from the Pro plan, but also gives you extra things like bookkeeping tools, income and expense tracking, unlimited proposals and invoices, and automatic mileage capture. Now, if you'd like to check out LegalZoom for yourself, I put our exclusive affiliate link down in the description. For a lot of the companies we work with, we offer special deals you won't find by going directly to their website. Now, personally, I think the fact that they throw attorney consultations is the icing on the cake. Having that service provided to me saved a lot of time and money from having to find a reasonably priced attorney on my own. And if you need any help with accounting, they have LZ Books to help you manage your expenses and income tracking, as well as invoices and payments, all from one place. So you can save money on QuickBooks or from hiring an accountant to do all this for you. I've been using a premium plan for my business mostly because I figured for $50 more, it'd be worth it to get the income and expense tracking without having to buy a program separately or from another site, which would run a lot more than $50 to get those services separately.
Now, once the paperwork is filed and you officially have your LLC, there's still one hurdle every new owner hits almost immediately: the banking trap. See, an LLC service gets your business legal, but you still need a way to actually, operate. And if you're like me, running an agency, working with a remote team, paying for software in different currencies, traditional banks can feel like a ball and chain. You get hit with high FX fees, forced conversions, a whole mountain of manual reconciliation every single month. That's exactly why I use Airwallex, who is actually the sponsor of today's video. Airwallex is the global payments and financial platform that makes a business truly functional in a digital-first and borderless world. Instead of waiting weeks to visit a physical branch, you can open a multi-currency business account in minutes. You get local bank details in over 20 countries, covering the US, the UK, a lot of Europe, tons more. Now, this is huge because it allows your overseas clients to pay you in their own currency while you receive it like a local business. Essentially, you can collect, hold, convert, and spend money only when you need to at interbank rates without those massive border taxes that traditional banks hide in their exchange rates and transaction fees. And from there, managing your LLC's finances is just as seamless. You can use Airwallex to accept payments, make international transfers, manage company spend, bill customers, and much more, all in one unified platform. You can even issue a specific virtual corporate card for ads, or another one for travel, a separate one for software like Slack or Canva. These cards let you pay global expenses directly from your Airwallex multi-currency balances, which means the real advantage here is you're skipping the massive 3% hidden tax on international fees and transaction fees. You also get total control with custom limits per card, and you can freeze or cancel them in one click. Every single transaction then auto flows into their built-in expense management, matching receipts and approvals so your books stay clean without the manual legwork. And what really helps is that it integrates directly with accounting tools like Xero, NetSuite, and QuickBooks.
Just like using a professional service keeps the legal side organized, a smart digital banking solution like Airwallex handles the financial heavy lifting, so you aren't wrestling with spreadsheets in the middle of the night.
It's a massive help for staying tax compliant from day one, which is usually the biggest headache when you're just starting out. And if you want a simpler, all-in-one platform to handle your LLC's finances, rather than juggling multiple tools for business accounts, for payments, spending, and billing, I'll leave a link below with Airwallex's current best offer. And by the way, they don't charge a monthly fee at all to get started. Now, I have checked out other business formation services in the past, like Zen Business. While they offer a lot of the same services, LegalZoom offers a bit more. And they offer things like legal support, which I found really helpful. Okay, so in terms of my overall experience, getting everything filed, very easy. I like how they weren't just a click here and move on kind of service. They really tried to educate me on what the legal terms mean. If you're left with any questions, while their support isn't 24/7, they do actually have a pretty wide availability. And yes, I actually use their customer support quite a bit to answer a few questions while filling out the paperwork. They are really transparent about their pricing, breaking down the costs in a really simple to understand way. So at the end of the day, would I recommend LegalZoom? Yeah, 100%. They made starting my LLC a whole lot quicker than if I was doing it myself. And they even followed up with me throughout my first year in business to make sure that everything was going smoothly. And if you choose to stick with them after that, you can always renew subscriptions for things like legal support and copyright protection, which can come in handy. Now, these services are charged on a monthly basis along with your annual plan, but I still think that they're a lot cheaper than even a reasonably priced lawyer, at least in my own experience. So on personal recommendation, I would definitely check them out if you've never opened a business before, or even if you've opened one before and you just want to save yourself some time, potentially some money, and definitely some headaches. And that wraps up today's video. If you liked the video, found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to see more reviews just like this. And if you'd like to try LegalZoom for yourself, be sure to check out our exclusive affiliate link down in the description to help you get started. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, you can reach out using the email that's also down in the description. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.